विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या नवीन टेक्नॉलॉजीच्या सहाय्याने सुरू झालेल्या शिक्षणामध्ये तुमचं सर्वांचं स्वागत करतो. आणि आज आपण इंग्रजी विषयाच्या वर्ग 10च्या 4.4 या पाठाबद्दल आपण या ठिकाणी माहिती पाहणार आहोत. आणि या आजच्या तासामध्ये इंग्रजी आणि मराठी या दोन्ही भाषेचा आपण उपयोग करूया, जेणेकरून ते तुम्हाला सोयीचं होईल, समजेल. तर सगळ्यात पहिले आपला पाठ आपण सुरू करायच्या पहिले एक स्लाइड इथे पाहूया. ही स्लाइड बघा. या स्लाइडमध्ये काही चित्र दिलेले आहे. देर आर सम पिक्चर्स ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स वुमेन शोन इन दिस स्लाइड. दिस पिक्चर्स आर वेल नोन पिक्चर्स. सगळ्यांना परिचित अशी ही पिक्चर्स आहेत, चित्र आहेत. पहिलं चित्र आहे गीता फोगाट. गीता फोगाट इज असोसिएटेड विथ द स्पोर्ट रेसलिंग. तुम्ही पिक्चर पाहिला असेल दंगल. त्या दंगल पिक्चर जो आहे तो या गीता फोगाटच्या जीवनावर आधारित आहे. दुसरा, द सेकंड पिक्चर इज देअर, दॅट इज ऑफ हिमा दास द ॲथलीट. शी इज अ प्रॉमिसिंग ॲथलीट ऑफ इंडिया, an emerging athlete of India. Then at the center there is the picture that is of Mithali Raj, the most popular sport in India, that is cricket, and she is the captain, means the former captain of Indian women's cricket team. And then at the bottom there are two pictures of two famous personalities. You must have known about them. सगळ्यांच्या परिचित आहे, तुम्हाला हे माहिती असेल. एक चित्र आहे PV सिंधू आणि दुसरं आहे सायना नेहवालीचं. PV सिंधू आणि सायना नेहवाल ह्या दोन्ही बॅडमिंटन या खेळाशी संबंधित आहे. सो फ्रेंड्स, देर इज वन पिक्युलॅरिटी इन दिस स्लाइड. डिड यू नोटिस इट? काहीतरी विशेष आहे या स्लाइडमध्ये. काय विशेष आहे? ओळखलात का तुम्ही? हां, बरोबर. ह्या स्लाइडमध्ये जी सगळी चित्र आहेत ती सगळी महिलांची आहे. ऑल द स्पोर्ट्स वुमेन आर शोन इन दिस स्लाइड. देर इज नो चान्स और देर इज नो पिक्चर ऑफ अ वुमन स्पोर्ट्समन. वाय इज इट सो? हे असं का? आर देअर द ओनली स्पोर्ट्स वुमेन इन इंडिया? नो. देर आर स्पोर्ट्स मेन ऑल्सो इन इंडिया हु हॅज डन इक्वली well as these women have done. But today what we are going to do, the topic that we are going to deal is with a woman who has done a remarkable work in her field, who has won so many medals, so many awards in her field, and she has become a legend. A legend म्हणजे काय? Legend म्हणजे असा माणूस, अशी व्यक्ती की जिने इतिहास रचलेला आहे. सो वी आर गोइंग टू नो अबाउट सच पर्सनॅलिटी. अशा एका व्यक्तीसोबत, अशा एका महिलेच्या बाबतीत आपल्याला आज इथे जाणून घ्यायचं आहे. आणि ती महिला म्हणजे दुसरी तिसरी कोणी नसून दॅट वुमन इज नन अदर दॅन द ग्रेट मॅरी कोम. सो लेट्स सी अबाउट मॅरी कोम. नाउ दिस इज द पिक्चर. इन दिस पिक्चर यू कॅन सी मॅरी कोम. मॅरी कोम. And the lesson that we are going to learn is, the title of that lesson is Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. Now you can see here in the title, Mary Kom is described with unbeatable and super with two adjectives. A lady is described not only with the single adjective, not only is described with one adjective, but two adjectives are given there. अनबीटेबल म्हणजे काय? अनबीटेबल म्हणजे होतं ज्याला पराभूत केला जात नाही. अनडिफिटेबल. खरोखर मेरी कोम ही अनडिफिटेबल आहे. ती कशी आहे ते आपण जेव्हा आपण विस्तृत माहिती पाहू तेव्हा तुम्हाला समजेल. अजून एक तिला विशेषण लावलेलं आहे, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह लावलेला आहे. वन मोर ॲडजेक्टिव्ह इज ॲडेड टू मेरी कॉम, दॅट इज सुपर मॉम. शी इज नॉट कॉल्ड सुपर बॉक्सर. She is not called super athlete or sportswoman, but she is called super mom. Why is she called super mom? It is a general It is a general view of every person that a career of any sports person just rise high before the marriage of that person. Before the married life, the sport career of any sportsman goes to the higher level. And as the sports person, particularly the woman, get married, the graph of her success, the graph of her achievement comes down. लग्न झाल्यानंतर महिलांवर जबाबदारी येते आणि त्याच्यामुळे त्यांच्या यशाची जी चढती कमान आहे ती खाली यायला लागते. बट दिस हॅज हॅपन एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट अबाउट मेरी कॉम. मेरी कॉमच्या बाबतीत हे मात्र अगदी विपरीत घडलेलं आहे, विरुद्ध घडलेलं आहे. मोस्ट ऑफ द अचिव्हमेंट्स ऑफ मेरी कॉम, मोस्ट ऑफ द अवॉर्ड्स दॅट शी हॅज वन were after her marriage, and that's why the special word is used for her, super mom. So we are going to see what this super mom is all about. So let's move up ahead. This is next. Now see the introduction. In the introduction we will see the full name of Mary Kom. Her full name is Mary Mangte Kom. She 6 times world boxing champion. Only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. The 6 world championships have been held till now, and all the 6 world championships for women have been won by Mary Kom. From this we came to know about the achievement, about the height of the achievement, of the greatness of the achievement of Mary Kom. तिच्या त्या यशाची खात्री याच्यावरून पडते की सगळ्या ज्या चॅम्पियनशिप्स होत्या त्या चॅम्पियनशिप्समध्ये तिने विजय मिळवला आहे, तिने मेडल मिळवलेला आहे. The first woman to win bronze medal in 2012 Olympics. इतकंच नाही, she is the first woman, she is the first sports woman in India to win medal in the Olympics. That may be the bronze, but that is the medal. She has created history in this way. Now we will move ahead again to the next slide. Now see, it is said that the champions are not born in a day. जेव्हा एखादा विजेता तयार होतो तेव्हा कोण एका दिवसामध्ये तो तयार होत नाही, त्याच्या मागे पूर्व इतिहास असतो. आणि म्हणून हा पूर्व इतिहास आपण पाहूया. नाउ लेट्स सी द अर्ली लाईफ ऑफ मेरी कॉम. द नेटिव्ह प्लेस, अबाउट हर नेटिव्ह प्लेस वी विल सी द कांगथाई विलेज, मोइरांग लामखाई इन चुराचांदपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ रूरल मणिपुर. The northeast part of India where she is living, that is the native place of Mary Kom. Then about her parents, her father Mangte Tonpa Kom and mother Akham Kom. Mangte Akham Kom. This is the picture of her parents. Mary Kom is from a very simple background, from a very humble surrounding, from a poor family. No one had expected, even Mary Kom didn't expect that she would do something spectacular or marvelous that what she has done previous. Now see, we will discuss something about her parents. Her parents were from humble surrounding. They were the farmers. But they were not the common farmers, they were the tenant farmers. Tenant farmers who were working in zoom fields. Zoom farming. What is zoom farming? Zoom farming म्हणजे shifting cultivation ज्याला म्हणतो आपण. In which the farmer goes from one place to another, lives for farming. एका ठिकाणी सातत्याने शेती न करता शेतीसाठी वेगवेगळ्या जमिनीचा वापर केला जातो, त्याला झूम फार्मिंग असं म्हणतात. So her parents were tenant farmers and working in the zoom fields. So being from the humble surrounding, Mary was also working with her parents. She was helping her parents in their work in the zoom field. So this was the background in which Mary brought up. Right from her childhood, Mary was fascinated by sports. She was the athlete in the beginning. In the early days, she was fascinated by the athletes. But as she grew up, her fascination turned towards boxing. Someone inspired her for boxing, and instead of becoming an athlete, she became an boxer. So who inspired her to become a boxer? Let's see. So see, this fellow is her inspiration. Indian boxer Dinko Singh from Manipur, who won gold medal in 1998 Bangkok Asian Games. In 1998, he was from her own state, Manipur. Dinko Singh, he won the medal in Asian Games, and this thing inspired Mary Kom, and she attracted towards boxing, and it made her to choose boxing as her career. Next, sir. Now let's see about the early achievements of Mary Kom. Mary Kom's career was started in 2000. In the very year, she won 2 championships, 2 awards there. Means the state championship she won, and the regional championship which was held in West Bengal in 2000. In the year of 2000, she won it. In the next year, in 2001, she started competing at international level. पहिल्या 2000 मध्ये 2 चॅम्पियनशिप स्टेट लेवलची आणि रिजनल लेवलची तिने जिंकली, आणि 2001 मध्ये इंटरनॅशनल लेवलवर कॉम्पिट करायला लागली. At the age of 18, on her debut means first public appearance, international level तिचा पहिला public appearance 18व्या वर्षी झाला तेव्हा. On her debut at AIBA Women's Boxing Championship in United States, she won silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. She represented India in 48 kg boxing category, and in that AIBA tournament she won a silver medal. And the last thing that you can see here, that is the most important from my point of view, from Mary's point of view also, she apologized to the whole nation for not winning a gold medal. Winning a gold medal at any international level competition is a great thing, is a great achievement, but Mary was not satisfied with it. आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तरावर जेव्हा एखादा खेळाडू एखादा बक्षीस मिळवतो, एखादं प्राइज मिळवतो, तेव्हा ती फार मोठी गोष्ट असते, पण मॅरी याच्यावरून संतुष्ट नव्हती. When she won the silver medal at AIBA competition, AIBA championship, she was not satisfied. Instead of getting happy, she apologized. She said sorry to the whole nation. पूर्ण देशाची तिने माफी मागितली. का माफी मागितली? तिने तर गोल्ड मेडल जिंकलं होतं, मग असं सिल्वर मेडल जिंकलं होतं, पण तरीही तिने माफी का मागितली? कारण तिला गोल्ड मेडल जिंकायचं होतं. शी वॉन्टेड टू विन गोल्ड मेडल, अँड दॅट हंगर फॉर गोल्ड वॉज देअर राईट फ्रॉम हर चाइल्डहुड. लहानपणीपासून मेडल जिंकायचं आहे मला, हा निर्धार तिचा होता, पण ते मेडल दुसरं तिसरं कुठलं नसून फक्त गोल्ड असेल. It will not be any other medal, it will not be bronze, it will not be silver, but it will only be a gold medal. फक्त ते गोल्ड मेडल असेल, हाच निर्धार तिने मनापासून केला होता. आणि म्हणून तिने सगळ्या देशाची माफी मागितली. अँड इट शोज द ग्रेटनेस ऑफ हर थिंकिंग, इट शोज द ग्रेटनेस ॲज अन इंडिव्हिज्युअल, ॲज अ स्पोर्ट्समन Mary had. Now we have seen the brief history or the early life of Mary. These are some of the questions, or these are some of the activities that we can solve here. By solving these questions, you will come to know how Mary was. It will help you to understand Mary in better way. The first question is there: how many gold medals did Mary Kom win in the World Boxing Championship? These are the simple questions. Brief answers are expected in these questions. If you solve these questions, it will help you to cement the knowledge. हे लहान लहान प्रश्नांची उत्तर दिली तर मी जे काही आता या 10 मिनिटं 5 मिनिटं आधी जे काही बोललेलं आहे, हे सगळं तुम्हाला स्पष्टपणे समजेल, सहजपणे समजेल. The next question is there: which medal did Mary win in 2012 Olympics? What is Mary's parents' name? How did Mary's parents make a living? Who inspired Mary to be a boxer? Then, when did she start competing at international level? Find the words from the text which means shifting cultivation. All these questions are based on, all these questions I have told you about these questions. You might have understood it, you might have taken note of it, so it will be easy for you to answer these questions. The second one is there, first public appearance or performance. What does it mean? The explanation or the meaning is given, you will have to find a word related of this meaning. And the final question, the last question, 8th question is there, describing short about your favorite sports person. This is a personal response question. In personal response question, it is expected that you write in your own language, in your own way. There is no binding in what way you are writing, but the expression of your language, the expression of your thought is expected here. So, by solving this, you will come to know about Mary, how Mary was. Now, just a minute, sir. Now, when Mary won a bronze medal in the 2012 Olympics, she gave an interview to one correspondent of the channel, of a newspaper in fact, and that interview we are going to see here. What Mary says, what Mary said in that interview, and we will hear the clip of the interview first. So let's see an interview.
And in an exclusive interview with Sportskeeda correspondent Raluka Srivastava, Olympic gold medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation at winning a medal. Elation is great joy. Interview. First things first, you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal for India. Has the feeling completely sunk in? Mary Kom. I am really happy with my achievement. And yes, it is able to think it. I am just so exhilarated means very still, very happy. And sunk in means realize and accept. Interview. You are the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you? Mary Kom. No, not at all. I was pretty confident about myself. I knew. Interview. Your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparation? Mary Kom. Well, I did miss him there, but thankfully we had already done our homework and I was well prepared. Interview. During your preparation for the Olympics, you sparred with the male boxers in the Indian contingent. Who was your favorite sparring partner? To spar means movement of attack and defense by a boxer in training.
Wait a minute. Now see, the explanation of some of the words, some of the hard words is given in English. आता त्या इंग्लिशमधनं एक्सप्लेनेशन मी दिलेलं आहे, पण ते काही शब्द आहेत की जे मराठीतनं पण तुम्हाला त्याचा अर्थ माहीत व्हावा समजण्यासाठी त्यातले काही शब्द आहेत. जसा इलेशन हा शब्द इथे आलेला आहे. इलेशनचा अर्थ होतो ग्रेट जॉय, अत्यानंद, ज्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो तो त्याचा अर्थ आहे. त्यानंतर अजून एक नवीन शब्द इथे आलेला आहे बघा, संक इन. संक इन म्हणजे रिअलाइज अँड ॲक्सेप्ट. रिअलाइज अँड ॲक्सेप्ट म्हणजे समजणे आणि स्वीकारणे. संक इन म्हणजे समजणे आणि स्वीकारणे. त्यानंतर तिसरा शब्द इथे आहे एक्झिलरेटेड. एक्झिलरेटेड मीन्स एक्स्ट्रीमली थ्रिल्ड, खूप जास्त उत्सुक असणे, उत्साही असणे असा त्याचा अर्थ होतो. देन ॲट द एंड दॅट इज वन वर्ड इज देअर, दॅट इज अ न्यू वर्ड, अ स्पारिंग पार्टनर. व्हॉट डू यू मीन बाय स्पार? द एक्सप्लेनेशन इज गिवन in the audio clip. स्पारिंगचा अर्थ होतो द मुवमेंट ऑफ द बॉक्सर ड्युरिंग हिज ट्रेनिंग पिरियड. द मुवमेंट ऑफ द जेस्चर्स म्हणजेच जो हातवारे किंवा जो हावभाव जो बॉडी आपली मूव्ह करून जो करतो एखादा बॉक्सर त्याला स्पारिंग असं म्हटलं जातं. हे जे नवीन शब्द आहेत याचा अर्थ तुम्ही समजून घ्या, जेणेकरून जेव्हा तुम्ही ही क्लिप परत ऐकाल किंवा तुमच्या समोर येईल तेव्हा हे जे स्क्रिप्ट आहे या स्क्रिप्टचा अर्थ तुम्हाला सहज समजता येईल. आता जाऊया आपण समोरच्या स्लाईडकडे. ही स्लाईड आपण आता ऐकून घेऊया, त्याचाच भाग आहे समोरचा. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द इंटरव्ह्यू इज देअर.
Well, I take part in it, and the mail boxers were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required to. To name a favorite would be unfair. Interviewer: You were quoted saying Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, but although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the button. Do you think dodgy judging was a part of the reason for your loss in the semi-finals? Dodgy means unjust. Mary Kom: Yes, I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefit. Interviewer: India managed just 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics. Even though we are a nation of 1.3 billion people, where do you think a change is required to get help us with medals that are proportionate to our population? Proportionate means equivalent. Mary Kom: I think more and more people should take up sport as a full-time career. If we want more gold medals, more corporate means industrial, should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their game.
Okay. Once again, there are some of the difficult words. This is the explanation that is given in English, but for the better understanding, I will explain it in some of the meaning of some words in Marathi. So, unfair म्हणजे unjust म्हणजे अन्यायी. Unfair that is the meaning of that word there. Then one more word is there. Tactical word is a new word here. Tactical means skilled. Wasn't tactical means not skilled. The partner or the rival of Mary Kom was not that skilled. She was powerful but not skilled. Means tactical. कौशल्य ज्याला आपण म्हणतो तितकी कुशलती नव्हती. Then the one new word is there, dodgy. Dodgy means unjust. Unjust म्हणजे अन्यायी. Dodgy judging means she had given some of the judgment which was not in favor of Mary Kom. Mary Komच्या पक्षामध्ये न जाणारे काही असे निर्णय त्यावेळेसच्या जजेसने दिले, त्याला डॉजी जजिंग म्हटलेलं आहे. डॉजी जजिंग म्हणजे अन्यायी प्रकारे केलेलं जजमेंट, दॅट इज कॉल्ड डॉजी जजिंग. देन the next, some of the new words are also there at the end. Is there one? We will see it. So there is nothing to explain here. All the new words that are there, I have explained it to you. Now you might have understood the meaning. And now after hearing the clips and knowing the meanings of the new words, now we move towards the exercise given on these two part of the that is interview. Next slide, sir, please. See, these are some of the activities. These activities will help you to solve, to know what is there in the clippings, what is there in the interview. Solve the following activities. Fill in the blanks with facts from the passage. Coach means the name of the coach is there. Interviewer, what was the name of the interviewer? Place of training, that is mentioned there. Then medals won by Indian in 2012 Olympics, that is also explained to you, and these are the very simple factual questions. Then the next question is there, the B1. Write whether the following statements are true or false. First statement is there, Mary Kom's coach was allowed to accompany her during her preparation for Olympics, right? True or false? Next one is there, Mary practiced with male boxers in Pune. So these two questions are simple factual questions. Then what can help Indian sportsmen win more medals? This is the comprehension based question. That is, you can listen the clip carefully, you will find the answer of this question very easily. Find out the opposite word from the passage. That is hated. First is hated, fair, inclusive and losing. In this way, the other words also we can use. That means the vocabulary testing question that is there, we can take other words also. For example, find out the nouns, find out the adjectives of the related words. Such kind of sentences can be included here. This is only for the example, this is only for the testing of the knowledge. Then the final question, the last E question is there. Do you think sport is as important as studies, and why? This is again a knowledge testing, a comprehension testing question, that is a personal response question. After listening, after hearing the clippings, what have you understood? तुम्हाला काय समजलेलं आहे, कितपत समजलेलं आहे, and how much can you express? आणि तुम्ही किती ते एक्सप्रेस करू शकता, लिहू शकता, याचा हे तपासून पाहण्यासाठी हा पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्सचा क्वेश्चन शेवटचा या ठिकाणी दिलेला आहे. अँड I have no doubt that if you listen it carefully, you will understand it very easily. So we will move towards the next part, the second part of the interview, and the clipping. We will again hear the clipping.
Interview. Do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? Mary Kom. Yes, I am sure that in a few years, boxing will be very popular among everyone in India, all the year round. Interviewer. However, are Indian women of their nutritional requirements, diet and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditioning for the Olympics. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? Mary Kom. The awareness is growing now among the female athletes. When it comes to nutritional requirements, nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports. I had to gain 3 kg since I had to fight in the 51 kg event instead of the usual 48 kg that I'm fighting. So I had to focus on what to eat. I get fit by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than bad saturated fat. Interviewer. How big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better?
Yes.
OGQ means Olympic Gold Square.
Now see, new words, the meaning of the new words in Marathi. Neglected म्हणजे दुर्लक्षित. Neglected means not paid attention. इंग्रजीमध्ये त्याचा अर्थ आहे आणि मराठीमध्ये दुर्लक्षित असणे. न्यूट्रिशन ज्याला म्हणतो आपण सकस आहार, न्यूट्रिशनल फूड, that is there. Only 2 words are there, and in the last line that one abbreviation is used, OGQ. That means Olympic Gold Quest. ऑलिम्पिक गोल्ड क्वेस्ट म्हणजेच गोल्ड मेडल ऑलिम्पिकमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त कसे मिळावेत किंवा मिळतील यासाठी केला जाणारा प्रयत्न जो भारत सरकारद्वारे केला जातो त्याच्यासाठी वापरलं जाणारं हे ॲब्रिव्हिएशन म्हणजे संक्षिप्त रूप आहे OGQ. दिस इज द व्हेरी सिम्पल लँग्वेज यूज इन दिस स्लाइड हिअर. नेक्स्ट देन वी आर मूव्हिंग टुवर्ड द फायनल स्लाइड ऑफ दिस इंटरव्ह्यू, दॅट इज देअर. We will listen the audio of it.
Several stereotypes about women in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. But how good are you at a traditional feminine activities like cooking. Here, stereotypes mean traditional duties or conventional life. And conflict means fight to prove superiority. And feminine means about women. Well, I am good at cooking and other household work too. Would you be interested in coaching Indian women in boxing one day? Let's see. In the future, maybe yes. What do you prefer to call super mom or super mom boxer? I love being a mom. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Yes. Now we have seen some of the new words are there. Stereotypes. Stereotypes means the word that is used conventionally, म्हणजे एकसारखेपणा ज्याला आपण म्हणतो अशा अर्थाने वापरला जाणारा स्टिरियोटाइप हा वर्ड. स्त्रियांनी या क्षेत्रामध्ये काही करावं अशी अपेक्षा नसते आणि म्हणून त्या उद्देशाने स्टिरियोटाइप हा शब्द तिथे वापरलेला आहे. Several stereotypes about Indian women. The next word is there, traditional. Traditional म्हणजे परंपरागत, मराठी शब्द अर्थ आहे त्याचा. Then feminine, it means of or about women. स्त्रियांशी संबंधित कुठली गोष्ट असेल तर तो फेमिनाईन हा शब्द त्याकरता वापरला जातो. आणि या स्लाइडमध्ये सगळ्यात शेवटी जर आपण पाहिलं, ॲट द एंड ऑफ द स्लाइड, ॲट द एंड ऑफ द इंटरव्ह्यू, वन गुड क्वेश्चन वॉज आस्क्ड टू मॅरी कोम whether she loves to be called a super mom or a super boxer. She has given a very fitting reply. She said that I love being a mom. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me. Though she is known as a boxer all over the world, everywhere knows her as a fighting boxer, as a great personality as a boxer, but she wanted to be known as a mom, as a mother only, because she says she thinks that is the special, that is her special, what we can say, that is her speciality. Boxer, she is boxer, but her speciality is more than a woman, in fact, than of a boxer. So we end the interview here. The interview ends here. Now we will move to see the achievements. Next slide. We will move to see the awards and recognition of Mary Kom. These are some of the awards and recognition. The list of it her award and recognition is given here. Arjuna Award in boxing in 2003. Padma Shri in sports in 2006. People of the Year, Limca Book of Records in 2007, and the number of awards are given there. The list of the awards is given here. And the most important, that is in India, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award she has won in 2009. Then some of the recognitions and awards, the list of those awards and recognitions are given here. Now we will move towards the activities that we have to solve based on these three clippings. Solve the following activities. You can see awards received by Mary Kom in 2008. We have seen the recognitions and awards. In those awards, you can easily find out which awards were received by Mary Kom. कुठले awards तिला 2008 या वर्षामध्ये मिळाले आहेत ते या ॲक्टिव्हिटीच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला लिहायचे आहेत. द सेकंड ॲक्टिव्हिटी दॅट इज देअर, राईट मॅरीज ओपिनियन अबाउट फ्युचर ऑफ इंडियन बॉक्सिंग. फ्रॉम दिस इंटरव्ह्यू वी केम टू नो अबाउट द पर्सनॅलिटी ऑफ मॅरी कोम, not only about her personality but also about her history, about her personal life. So we can write about her and solve the answer and write the answer of this question. Next one, sir. Now C question is there. Find out the long forms of the following by using dictionary or internet. The use of dictionary or internet is here. You can use it. OGQ means Olympic Gold Quest. In the example I had given you the long form of it. देर आर सम अदर ॲब्रिव्हिएशन्स आर गिवन देअर. संक्षिप्त रूपं काही दिलेली आहेत त्याच्यात, IBN, AIBA, YPA. याचा अर्थसुद्धा डिक्शनरीमधनं किंवा इंटरनेटवरनं तुम्हाला सापडू शकतो, तो तुम्ही शोधायचा आहे. त्यानंतर पिक आउट द ॲडजेक्टिव्ह फॉर्म्स. वन एक्झाम्पल ऑल्सो गिवन देअर. न्यूट्रिशनल विल बी द ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ इट. देन ट्रेडिशन, सॅच्युरेट अँड ॲडिशन. देर आर अदर ॲडजेक्टिव्ज ऑल्सो. यू कॅन फाइंड there are nouns also, you can find the adjectives of it. Then E, write in short why Mary Kom is called a super mom. At the beginning of this lesson, at the beginning of this lecture, I had told you why she is called a super mom, why Mary is known as a super mom. So you can write it here the clip again, and you can write the meaning of it, the answer of this question. Then write a fact file of Mary Kom using the following points. All these points we have discussed, all these points we have seen during this lecture, during this lesson. See, full name, native of where she lives, early life and interest, special sports taken up, inspired by, coach, early achievements, international achievements, her passion and future. Considering all these points, you can write about Mary. It is very simple to write if you listen the clippings. If you hear the clippings again, it will be easy for you. So here I conclude this lesson, and I hope that it will be easy for you to solve this activity. ह्या सगळ्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी सोडवणं तुम्हाला सोपं होईल जर आपण पूर्णपणे वाचलं, ऐकलं, त्या क्लिपिंग्स ऐकल्या आणि जे एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलेलं आहे ते जर पूर्ण आपण ऐकलं तर आपण सहजपणे ह्या ज्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज याच्यावर दिलेल्या आहेत त्या आपण सहजपणे सोडवू शकतो. धन्यवाद.